What going, bro? Everything good?
Good to see you as always.
Blessings. Yeah, man, everybody, you don't know it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today, I got my longtime friend here, Nate D, one of Miami's top artists you don't know. You can find his artwork all over Miami, all over Fort Lauderdale. He works closely with the Miami Heat and the Dolphins. Yo, it goes on and on, man. Trust me.
Yeah, Nate D. Also go by Miami Nate on Instagram. I'm a muralist, street artist, painter here in South Florida, but I'll travel across the world to create my art and to push paint. We're out here in front of one of my murals here in Fort Lauderdale. Did this piece in maybe 2021, and it's in front of this business called Handy. And I'm looking forward to linking up with the homie Chris. Been wanting to go and get my car detailed for a minute, so happily today's the day to make it happen.
People, let's get this detail started. As you can see, Nate D, he has a Dodge Ram 1500. Needs a little bit of work, but we're gonna dial it in. Don't know, stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, these wheel wells are pretty dirty. So what I'm gonna do, the plan of action is to hit it, rinse it off of course, hit it with some of that Hash Chemi Green Star, form it up with a brake buster and then agitate, and then after that they should be looking nice and clean. You know, I check all this stuff out on Instagram, right? I see you doing so many cool projects. What's one of your favorite projects currently at the moment?
I mean, about 2 to 3 months ago, I had the opportunity to go to Haiti to paint a mural over there.
Yeah.
So my family is Caribbean, they're from Haiti. And it was always my bucket list item to go down there and then paint in the country that my family's from.
Right.
So I had the opportunity. There's a group out there called Festa Graffiti. They run a mural festival, and they invited me to come out for a week, enjoy the island, and paint. And that's what I did. And it was an amazing experience.
Nice. Back to the motherland.
Yeah, man. Back to origin and leave art behind. You know, nothing better than that.
I see you doing a lot of stuff with the Miami Heat too, man.
Yeah.
You got Pat Riley signing your paintings and all of that.
Yeah, Miami Heat. I mean, to me, I feel like they're almost like family. I've done so many players that I've had the opportunity to paint. They bring me in to do a lot of their private events, but once I went in there, the organization has just been supportive. They love what I do. Yeah. They support what I do, and I appreciate it about them. And I think that, you know, you got to give them their flowers when they do stuff like that. That's what's up. Chris, I've been following your YouTube for like a minute, man.
Right.
I mean, some of these cars you detail, like the exotics and all that, is amazing. Like, are there any standouts that kind of like are your favorite detail jobs?
You know, I would say most definitely. You know, it was definitely cool. Anytime you get to detail one of the more, you know, supercars and stuff like that. But to be honest, I enjoy detailing all types of vehicles.
Yeah.
You know what I really enjoy doing too, bro? Actually, like cars like yours right here, trucks.
Yeah.
Reason being is the actual size.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, I'm 6'2", right? Pretty tall, so sometimes
Yes.
when you get some sedans, you're like,
Yeah.
couched up in there, like it's, even though the car is smaller, it's,
You're squeezing in there.
yeah.
Trying to maneuver.
So I actually enjoy detailing bigger vehicles like these.
Yeah.
Supercars are always a blessing still, because you know they're fancy. Everybody likes supercars, right? Who doesn't like sports cars, right? But you don't know, I'm a real pickup guy at heart.
Yeah. This is my first pickup, and I'm sold. I don't think I'm going back. I think I'm going to be a lifelong pickup guy from now on.
That's what's up. Alright guys, I'm going to take care of this cover first before I actually wash the vehicle itself. You can see it's pretty dirty, so we're going to spray some of the Green Star on there and just agitate with a scrub cleanser, and it should be a lot cleaner. Guys, when you're rinsing off the Green Star, obviously it's going to run down on the sides of the panels too, so you just want to be cautious and make sure you rinse the side of the panels off also as well, so the Green Star doesn't stay there. You know what I mean? All right, guys, the contact wash is over. Time to dry the vehicle. Add a nice touch to it. Add a little bit of that technician's choice. It's a drying aid. Made that paint pop a little bit of slickness, a little bit of gloss. You already know. That's how we do it over here. Clean Car Chris setup. Boom. Guys, we're taking care of my boy Nate D's interior here. Nothing too crazy, nothing too in-depth, guys. Just a nice little, a quick little scrub down, quick little wipe down, you know. Hey Nate, got a question for you, man.
Yeah.
I'm checking out some of your work. I always see you incorporate like a lot of animals in your artwork.
Yeah.
So you just always had an interest in animals in general, or just drawing animals, or what?
Well, yeah, I like animals. I like nature, and you'll see those themes pop up a lot in my work. Usually the animals, they have a meaning, they have a symbolism. So we as people, we ascribe these meanings and symbols to these animals. So whether the animal's in the piece or the person's wearing a mask, right, and they're wearing the mask of the animal, it represents more power, and the power that we give them and what that power means. So for example, the fox pops up a lot in my work. And foxes, they represent creativity, intelligence, and the ability to go around the things that block your path, go around the things that hinder you. So that's one example. If I were to say a lion, what are the first words that come to your head? Like royalty, brave, power, strength. Yeah. So all these animals, we as people give them meaning, and the person wearing the mask or the person with the animal is tapping into that power or that meaning that the animal represents.
Yeah.
If you go to Wynwood, one of the bigger murals in Wynwood is at the Mana Complex, and that's a panther. And actually, what connects us on this piece is that FIU, both of us went to FIU,
Yes, right.
They're the ones who sponsored the mural. So it's a huge panther on the side of the building, and you can see that it's off of like 24th and Northwest 2nd, which is the main strip of Wynwood. I have pieces that are in Little Havana, in Hialeah, down here in downtown Fort Lauderdale. I have stuff in West Palm as well, in the downtown area, downtown district. So any of those places, but definitely if you're in Wynwood, I have at least 3 pieces that you can see, and they're all within the vicinity of that same mural that's at Mana.
Alright, my people, you don't know, say the big Dodge Ram 1500 is all complete. I hope my boy Nate D approves. Let's see. Hey, what do you think, man?
Yo, I'll tell you, man, this is looking better than new. Like it made me realize how much work it actually needed, but you did the job. You did the job. This is crazy.
Right,
Thank you. Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate the love. You don't know, you can find Nate D's socials. We're going to drop them on the screen. Like, share, subscribe, all of that. Every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Don't miss it.